In this video, I am going to show you how to fix a Bluetooth device that is not working on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started.
First, search for Services and open it. Here you will see a list of all services. Look for the services related to Bluetooth. On my computer, there are 3 Bluetooth services. One of them is running and the other 2 are not. Follow my steps carefully. Right-click on the first Bluetooth service and select Properties. You'll see the startup type is set to Manual. Change it to Automatic, then click Start. After that, click Apply and OK.
Do the same for the other 2 Bluetooth services.
Once all 3 services are running, restart your computer. After restarting, your Bluetooth device should work properly.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.